Hey, what's up, y'all? Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. All right, my market update, not yours. Just giving y'all an update what's going on in my portfolio. For y'all that follow me, thank you. And we about to go on through it, man. Y'all know I'm a monthly dividend investor, man. Portfolio's looking good, man. Just for y'all to know, for the month of October, man, I finally reached over my $3,500 a month in dividends. I'm gonna do a video for you, man, but later on. But all right, y'all. For y'all to know, I like taking risks. I love yield max option ETFs because of the payouts that the dividends they kick out, man. About them juicy dividends. Some might say they risky, might get some backlash for it, whatever. But if you can find a technique and an entry level price that suits you best and take the risk out of it, I say go along with it. One thing about dividend stocks, you get tired of it. Or just like we had with ticker PSEC, Prospect Capital. You ever get tired of it, just stop putting new money into it, new powder, whatever, and just reinvest the dividends. One thing about REITs and BDCs is that they got to pay 90% of their income out to shareholders in dividends. So you're going to always get a payment. It is whether they cut it or not, but you're gonna get something. But the yield max, I like the yield max, but in general, the ETF and a CEF, the closed end funds, because they very rarely do dividend cuts. They do, but very seldom it happens. But I like those a little bit better. If you want something more sustainable outside of REITs and BDCs. I got a list of stuff. If you watch my Weeble portfolio videos when I do my monthly dividends, you'll see me tell you about some of the closed-end funds that I buy. I don't buy closed-end funds in my Robinhood portfolio. I buy them inside of my Weeble and my Charles Schwab, because Robinhood is not as open as Weeble and Charles Schwab. Anyway, KLIP, China Crane shares, man, that one's still down, still a buy. AMDY, still a buy. ULTY, I brought over 100 shares of that today. That got below the $10 range. Actually went down to like 968. I got like 110 shares of that right now in my position. AMDY is down. USOY, I think that got up to 1521, which I'm gonna sell. All the stuff I brought at 1574 and none, I'm about to sell at the 1521, make a couple profit and lower my average cost. I want to get my average cost below the $15 range. I prefer to get it around 1450. Right now I'm in the middle 15s, I want to say. I only got like 26 shares all like together. But 16 of them I got a buy limit at sell limit at 1521. For the last couple of days, it been hitting the 15 something mark. Then it goes back below the 15 mark. So I'm a swing trade it daily or weekly and make a couple profit and keep whatever the last 10 shares I got just for the dividend. But once I get my average cost at that 1450 mark, I'm gonna just keep them. But I want to lower my average cost. All right, monthly stocks, REITs and BDCs. Ticker EFC. Ellington Financial, 13 cent a share. ORC, 12 cent a share. You got land, Gladstone Land pay like 4 cent, 5 cent a share a month, but that's how you invest in the land without physically owning it. Another yield max, AIYY, got down to $8.80. I'm targeting that one. PSEC, we know that Prospect Capital, we know that one down. Pays monthly, was 6 cent, gonna be 4.5 cent a share. USOI, cover calls on crude oil. That one there still, I like that below the 65, below the 67 range. Love it below the $65 range. Dollar cost average down, don't load up $5 a day, $10 a day in it. Pays out monthly. Charge point. Y'all know that's gonna be that is analysts got that analyzed as a whole. I be swinging it. I got a lot of shares. I got over 1,000 shares that I'm holding for the long term though. But right now I'm swinging it to lower my average cost. I think my average cost now is like in like 140-ish range now. It's at like 113, 115 or something in there now. So that's what I'm doing with that. Another one I've been giving y'all last couple of days, ticker AES. I was giving y'all for the dividend growth stock. I don't have it in this portfolio, but in my Cash App. That one went up above the $14 range today. I've been buying on yesterday. Got down, was in like the $13 range. So that's climbing back up. I done hit swing trades on that a couple times. People got to pay their utility bills. Ticker AMD is down still, man. You got that. You got Dollar General down. SCHG. That's the large cap Charles Schwab large cap ETF. They got the Apples, Nvidias, and all that. That there's down. I was pulling on back some today. That's definitely about at $30 and under. Need to go in and accumulate now. Horizon Technology, 11 cents a share a month. A new Fiat, F-I-A-T, due to covered calls on Coinbase, the inverse version. So when Coinbase is up, Fiat gonna be down. When Coinbase is down, Fiat gonna be up. So that's the stock I'm learning about. This month it paid 82 cents a share a month. Last month before that, was paying $1 and something. But right now it's down because Coinbase is up. But I'm learning on that $1 cost averaging into it. You got another one, growth stock, Pfizer, man. That's below $27 range, man. You got to get that at these prices. Another one, PFLT, Pending It Float. That one pays, you catch that around $11.25 and under, buy it. Definitely buy it $11 and under. I want to say it pays like 10 or 12 cents a share or something. But now still buys that are out here, man. I mean, but you can keep it simple and do the VOO and the VTIs too. They say once you hit the $1 million like portfolio, you can live, or once you retire, you can live off. You can sell 4% of your VTI or your VOO a year for you to live off it, and the dividend should regenerate. How true is that now? I don't know, because it's 2024, 2025. This ain't 1997 anymore, or 2003. Stuff is high. Inflation just went back up by the market pulling back. Inflation, well, it didn't go up. It stayed the same, at a 2.6%. And also they're not sure about the interest rate cuts for December. So that's a big thing too, because the market was pricing the stuff in. He's saying that he need to see a real recession for him to really start cutting them. And being that state inflation is staying the same or rising, this really, if inflation is going up, you really need to raise the interest rates, not cut it. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen, man. This U.S. economy is something else, man. So anyway, that's it, man. My market update. Let's get y'all ready for tomorrow. Just, the way I am doing it. I like growth stocks. I got a dividend growth stock portfolio. But right now, I like cash flow. I like traveling, bills due. Even though I don't use it, I just like to know what I'm making. But I got my own system on how I like to keep my money in the market. I'm going to say that. We can deep dive into that on another day, another video. Signing off. Go get your money.